Alright, so instead of using a flash drive, you could just make a folder on your the computer and use that as the drive for DOSBox. So first you gotta make a folder. Make sure you can't make it on the desktop. You have to make it in one of your drives. So you could just how this you could just hit the file explorer. You have to make it inside of one of these. Probably just making it in the C drive is easier. So you just make a folder. I'm gonna just name it test, just because I'm showing you. So you do test, and then everything in the first folder. So like whatever you was using before, like whatever you used to do lab one, everything in that folder you wanna copy it and put it into the new one. So this is what I've been using for lab one. So copy everything so that you could still use everything after this. So copy everything and you put it into the new folder you just made. And then after that, start searching and you're gonna type in percent app data percent or app data percent and then hit enter. And then it's gonna put you in Roman. So you're gonna hit click app data at the top and you go to local. You scroll down, you go to DOSBox, and then double click this. It's gonna tell you what you want to use to open it. You want to open it with Notepad, and then you're gonna go all the way down until you see auto exec, and then anything you put here is gonna run it. When you start the program, it's gonna run that line of code automatically. So then this is where you mount the drive. So wherever you mounted that, that's where you're gonna put here. So you're gonna put mount to mount it, and then you're gonna put C. This is basically just saying that it's gonna mount it to drive C in the DOS box, and then you type in where you saved it at. So for me, like I said just do it in the C drive to make it easier. So you just put C colon backslash, and then whatever you name the folder. I named it test. So for y'all would do the same thing. Y'all would do mount C colon backslash, and then whatever y'all name the folder, y'all put that here, and then you just save it. And then when you open DOSBox, you're gonna see it's gonna say, see, it's gonna auto run it. This drive C is mounted as local directory. So then you just do C colon, hit enter, and then now you're in the new folder you just made. So like now you could just, so let's say like you was doing lab two, and you need to debug, you just debug lab. I know I'm just doing lab one as an example, but like see, oh my fault, lab do debug lab one dot exe, and then you see and it goes, and then you could do all the other shit like D G. And it's gonna work normally, and then every time you close it, when you open it back up, it's gonna auto mount that drive, so you don't have to keep typing in the mount manually. It just does it automatically.